Welcome to Los Cabos, mi amigos. Cabo San Lucas is one of Mexico's most vibrant visitor playgrounds, but taking a shore excursion booked by one of the cruise lines can be very expensive. Fortunately, there are tons of other options. Today, I'll share an amazing port day that you can enjoy on your own. I'll guide you on where to go, what to do, and where to eat, all at a fraction of the cost the cruise line would charge. We are getting so close to our first port, which is Cabo San Lucas. Cabo San Lucas is what's called a tender port, which means that they do not have a dock big enough for this ship. So instead, they send over water shuttles. Now, in most tender ports, you actually use one of the lifeboats off of your ship, and that works as a tender to get you to and from the ship. But luckily, in Cabo San Lucas, they have water shuttles, which are bigger, so more can get off the ship at one time. One of the best parts about taking a water shuttle is you get to see your ship from the distance. We also got to see the Carnival friends and other water shuttles scooting by. As soon as you get off the tender in the marina, you'll be met with lots of restaurants and vendors with many ideas of things to do while you're in port. Even though you can get by without having pesos, they'll take American dollars. I wanted to get some from a local bank. So I watched a lot of videos on getting cash because you want to have cash to buy like the street tacos and things like that. So getting pesos. And so all the advice was to go to a bank and use an ATM. And when you get to the ATM and it says, do you accept this exchange rate? The video said to decline. Well, if you decline, they didn't let you get your money. So you have to accept it. Honestly, my advice now, because this was quite a process, would be to try to get some pesos from home before you even come. After getting cash, we're ready to go to Arco on a clear boat.
Maybe when all the bubbles have cleared out, we're going to be able to see something.
So this is Pelican Beach.
So,
and we're on a boat just like that. Here we go. I booked this great tour with Enva Tours a couple months before a cruise online.
but we have many fishes around here. The little ones are called surgent fish with a T at the end. And you can put your phone straight into the floor, so it kind of looks like a GoPro recording. Also, we got a parrotfish over there passing by. And this chunky boys, the gray ones, you might have seen them or tried them before in the marina in the form of a taco.
Being on a clear boat is like being in a floating aquarium. You could see the fish so clearly and up close. On the way to the arch, we passed one of the world's most unique beaches. On one side, Lover's Beach, you have the Sea of Cortez and beautiful calm waters. On the other side, you have the Pacific Ocean, Divorce Beach, with its rocky shores. There are so many boats here, all vying for position to get pictures with the arch. After everyone got their pictures with the arch, it was time to head back to the marina. Along the way, we got a great view of our ride, the Discovery Princess. And as a bonus, we saw sea lions hanging out on a dock. Next stop is Ediths Restaurant for a delicious meal. My good friend Alicia, who comes to Cabo San Lucas all the time, told me we'd had to come to Ediths. And the assistant managers just came over and made us feel super welcome. They have seafood, they have Mexican food. I can't wait to eat. We're so hungry. Ediths is so beautiful, full of color and light. I love these glass hearts that are made by a local artisan. Food is freshly prepared in this open kitchen area, and the people were so friendly. They're on video. Yum! We have fajitas and fish taco. A highlight of the day was actually our tender ride back to the ship. Look at these amazing shots that Noah got just from an iPhone of the ship. To me, it looks like a model. It doesn't even look like the real thing. And look at these guys hanging out at the doorway. When we went by, I thought, what are those little kids doing there? But it's just because the door is so huge. We're back on ship after a great day in Cabo San Lucas, and we look forward to another fun-filled day in Mazatlan. Watch this playlist next to see everything that we did in the Mexican Riviera.